Hello everyone, paano ba gumawa ng Certificate of Employment? Ito po ay isang requirement sa pag-apply ng PCO accreditation. Well, may mga template naman siyempre ang mga kumpanya. Pero ito yung pattern lamang. Unang-una, date kung kailan ibinibigay ang Certificate of Employment. Halimbawa, December 22, 2025. And then dito, name po ng regional director ng concerned regional office of Environmental Management Bureau kung saan nag-a-apply ka ng PCO accreditation. Halimbawa, Director Robert Angelo Metin. Siya ang Regional Director ng Environmental Management Bureau Region 4A. At yung address po ng Region 4A, EMB Region 4A. Fourth floor, PITX, Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Paranaque, Paranaque City. Then subject, Certificate of Employment. Dear Director Metin, warm greetings. This is to certify that Juan P. Cruz is a full-time employee of, for example, ABC Restaurant located at number 3 MP Casanova Street, Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. Hired on, example, June 5, 2020. He is currently appointed or designated as Pollution Control Officer pursuant to the requirements of DOW 2014-02 and shall perform the duties and responsibilities but not limited to the following: ensure updated permits and certificates issued by concerned regulatory agency, submit on-time reports, monitor activities, and recommend appropriate control measures to protect the environment, implement environmental programs, projects, or activities in support to local and international events, attend meetings or seminars as a continuing professional development. Thank you very much. Certified true and correct. Kung sino po ang authorized signatory, kung meron tayong managing head, say Mr. Peter S. Pan, siya ang HRM officer. Then date signed. Halimbawa ngayon, December 22, 2025. So ito yung pattern natin sa paggawa ng Certificate of Employment addressed to the Regional Director of EMB Regional Office for the purpose of PCO accreditation. Ano po? So, gamitin lang natin itong pattern. Kung meron ng existing na pattern or format, okay na yon. Ang importante lang, ma-certify lang siya na empleyado ng isang establishment. So, halimbawa, merong isang may-ari ng isang establishment, lalo yung mga maliliit lang na establishment, sila na rin ang nagiging PCO. So, kailangan ko bang certificate of employment pa? Hindi naman ako empleyado. Pwedeng i-submit mo na lang yung proof of company ownership or registration. Okay? So, this is your certificate of employment at pwede nyo maging pattern ito sa requirement na Certificate of Employment for PCO Accreditation application.